Welcome back guys to another Forge unboxing video, and today as you can see it's a big box, which means it's a big kit. One of my personal favourites, this one, the Up GTI. Never have 3 cylinders been so much fun. Volkswagen re-evoking the spirit of the original Golf GTI is something that nearly everyone can afford. So naturally, Forge have made some cool stuff for it. This is the all-new induction kit. It's hot off the press. So hot off the press it's still warm, this box. Inside is everything you need to give your Up GTI the best noise you've ever heard. I've driven the car with this kit on, it's brilliant. And also a few more ponies. Right, where do I begin? There's so much in this kit, it's such great value, and there's everything you need. It's very well thought out and it fits using all of the OEM pickup points. That's the first bit of good news. Starts with this is a Motorsport quality filter, and that fits inside this custom box. Now the nice thing about this, it's going to actually shield all of that ambient heat from the filter itself. It sits inside the box. If you want to, if you go to the click down menu on the website, you can also order yourself a roll of this. That's the heat tape that reflects the heat back, so you put that at the bottom of the airbox. It puts even more ambient temperature away from the filter itself. You've then got this, is lovely, and this is flattened deliberately to fit underneath the scuttle. If you look at the front of the car, where you've got that plastic scuttle, this goes underneath, which is why you've got that profile. It's been made specifically for this fitment. The whole thing sits on these are beautifully made here in this very factory. So these little aluminium bobbins use the OE style rubber clips, and they sit on there, and the whole thing, if you look, sits on those 3 holes. Now your airbox that comes with the car on standard has 2 of those fittings, so you just get 1 in the kit. If you want to, again, if you want to keep those in your factory airbox, you can just order 3 as an optional extra. So go to the click down menu if you want some spares of those. And then again, you've got these beautiful spun aluminium. You've got a smaller one to put the filter into the housing, then you've got the larger one which puts the hose onto the inlet. And of course, the finishing touch, as well as your hose clips, is the Forge sticker. Now the nice thing about this is it will work on a standard car. If you haven't got the budget or the inclination to remap the car, this will work with any Up GTI. But if you use it in conjunction with a remap, or better still, and an exhaust, you'll notice massive change in the noise, really nice sound, real lovely powerful growl, and also this will make horsepower in conjunction with a map and in conjunction with an exhaust. So there you go, everything you need for your Up GTI. The part number for this kit is FMINDK30, that's 30. So go onto the website, put that in the search box, this kit will reveal itself, click buy, and be the envy of all your friends. One thing to be very careful of, when you're actually fitting any of the pipework into either the silicone hose itself or the filter, we've actually created a video for you. Just click there, and that will show you the best way to do that. There's a best practice to make sure you don't damage either the hose or the end of the filter. So watch that one, that's really useful to know.